Hello, welcome back my channel, it's me Jassiel. We double update for airplanes. We are going only by floor 3 and for these open, let's start at him. Okay, there's our buy on the plane 747.
Well, these customers are now talking by giants on the planes of the 747, faster legendary on the official career as a stunt.
Alright, these on by Pazu's on the adults is here by plane by going to buy McDonald's, get free French fries. I know what there's let's peaceful, only by please don't enter it no allowed. Some as the holes mostly strike shit do not entrance allowed. Well, look at the before it only account got banned TikTok my millions the United States and Canada of airplanes finally by Thailand of the toes are us.
Hello Toca JassielChannel. Welcome back my channel.
I get started millions your my on these sea surfs for. Looks at the beautiful, only by maps going beach on by. Happy 4th July on by United States.
There's going no war my your enemy for fuck Israel on my stealing on by Gaza on be help to for free Palestine.
Looks at the more locations of backpacks on your my camping what else your means.
It's fine Jassiel my she apps for account got banned from TikToks on by followers we sad today on by blog it.
Can to be please stop enters by planes can to be just going to be backpacks on the glass get you at the shield.
Yeah, I coming soon this is your and don't open we helping it guys just go and don't leaving me
Whatever just to be loose or falling down always come into back here come on. The link gets y'all airplanes leave at the floor subscribe for more channel your like and comments goodbye everyone.